right, not much going on in the shop, so I figured I'd give everybody an update. You can see Phil's having fun on the simulator. We got a little bit going on, but mostly we've been busy. We haven't got really much going on as far as getting the videos put out. But we ended up having to make new bodies for the two dwarf cars. Those were getting pretty hammered, and we got a major sponsors change. You'll see that in the next video. Gen 3 is still over there. We're waiting to get the differential back for the so we can send everything off to powder coat and get started on that. Got a race coming up day after tomorrow. Got this new project that we just picked up yesterday. That's pure stock for Brandon. Show you a couple other projects that we're working on that you may not have seen yet. There's the smart car, which is starting to rain pretty good. There's a smart car over here, which we talked about. We thought it had a blown head gasket. We pulled the motor out, and it's actually got a burnt valve, so we're getting the head sent out. Going to get that put up. That's going to be the new pit support vehicle. That's going to be a parade truck to promote a local business. And wait, what's that over there? That's a secret project. You guys will find out about that later. So that's kind of what's going on around Metal Manglers right now. Not a whole lot, but I figured I'd give you guys an update. Stay tuned. We'll have some shots of some race action here soon. Thanks for what you guys do for us. We appreciate everything, and we couldn't do it without you.